Good morning, you guys. It's early. It is a work day. I took off work today because I'm actually going to get my hair colored by one of my favorite stylists, Ngina Thomas at Studio Chique. Y'all know, if you've been following me, this is like the stylist that I recommend in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. She has always hooked me up and had me right. My hair is still healthy from going to her and all of that. Excuse my face. I look super tired and sleepy because I am. But I'm getting ready to head to her salon now. It's about an hour's drive from where I am. I'm supposed to be there at 9. Today I wanted this to be kind of like a vlog style video where I take you guys with me to the salon so you can see the whole color process and things like that. I'm not going to show you guys my color inspiration just yet because I did send her some pictures and things like that, but I'll show you once I get to the salon, and she'll work with me to see what can be achieved on my hair with the current state that it's in, because that's super important. You might want a particular thing, but when you get to the salon and do that consultation, it might be something slightly different based on where your hair is. So this is what my hair looks like right now. The color is pretty much grown out for the most part. You still see it on the ends, but these are like my natural roots all up here. This is my natural hair color, which I hate. To prep my hair last night, she basically told me to cleanse it, condition it. I did a deep condition with like a protein moisture conditioner, the Mielle Organics. It's bomb. So I used that with a little bit of the Affinity, I think 2-minute protein conditioner, and then I blew my hair out very roughly and then put it in these 2 braids, and this is pretty much it. So I don't know, we're gonna see what happens. I'm excited but a little bit nervous based on the type of color that I want to get and the variation of it and all of that, but we're gonna see. She always hooks me up, so I always go in a little bit nervous, but then I come out satisfied. We're gonna get a move on because the more I talk here, the later that I'm getting, and I'm sure I'm gonna encounter some traffic. So let's go ahead and head out. So you guys, I just left the salon not that long ago and I was starving, so I came down here to get some pizza from Ann Pizza. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little scared, a little shocked. I'm always like this when I first get a new color until I actually style it and it dries and I kind of get used to it a little bit. Right now I'm just like, my insides are like, look at these roots, y'all. Look at these. And I don't know if I can pull this off. And Ngina was saying that we probably should have lightened my eyebrows a little bit, and now I'm thinking, yeah, we probably should have, because my roots are basically like a reddish copper tone. I'm still holding out. I'm excited about it. We're gonna see. She does have some other ideas, like maybe in 2 or 3 weeks from now we might go back and change it up just a little bit after I kind of like get used to this. I can't wait to see what the hubby's gonna say about this, because he doesn't like change, and I feel like he's gonna look at me and be like, what did you do to your hair? Like, what's wrong with you? Why? But we'll see. Anyway, I came on to show you guys this delicious pizza. I've never had pizza before. This will be a first time for me, and I just got it. I should have taken you guys in there, but I'm definitely in a no parking zone. I'm not supposed to be parked here right now, so I was rushing in there trying to get this pizza. This looks so freaking good. I think it's called the hot honey pizza, and I added like mushrooms to it and also caramelized onions. I cannot wait to dig into this. Look how good this looks. Not bad. This is good. I don't know how people eat cute. I really don't. I'm like the noisiest and sloppiest eater ever. Not to mention I talk with my mouth full. This is so good though. And I smack. I'm just picking up on all my habits in this vlog. Okay, you guys, I'm back home. I've just washed my hair again and deep conditioned it with my own deep conditioner, the Mael Babasu and Mint deep conditioner. This stuff is really good. Remember I said I used this before I went to the salon, and I normally follow up with it as well. I'm getting ready to actually style my hair. I'm just gonna do a 3-strand twist out. This is what the color's looking like. Super, super pigmented. My curls, as you guys can see, are still there. Now, I am gonna have an honest moment here, because Ngina did take me outside of my comfort zone in terms of these roots. I'm still trying to see how these are gonna work for me, because I feel like with this hair color, I am washed out. Like, where's the pigment right now? I just realized my friend Anissa Lamar on Instagram, she just recently got her hair colored similar to this, and it seems like I copied her, but I didn't even realize that until just now. But to style, I'm gonna use my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in, and then to style it, I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. Really like this. I think it was Quinn Ray. I think that's her name on Instagram. Why do I not know her real name? We be talking on there all the time. Is it like that with you guys, where you have people on Instagram, you know by their name, we like converse? I started to say conversate. That's not a word. But you converse with them like on a daily basis, and you don't know their real first name? But I feel like I knew it, but it's escaping me right now. But anyway, she was talking about the fact that a lot of people have been sleeping on this product and this line, and I completely agree. This stuff is bomb. Bomb.com. I don't think people say that anymore, but I do. I'm gonna style my hair using this, and then we're gonna see what the finished product looks like. I'm probably gonna come back on with you guys once I have my makeup on too, because I feel like that brings it all together when you got the face beat, or at least something on it with the hairstyled. So we'll see. Good morning. How goes it? You wanna tell the people hey? You wanna tell them hey? Say what's good. Say what's good. It's 2 days after my color. Let me get over here where the light is. Oh my gosh, super shocking. Look at this hair. Ooh, it's a lot to take in. It's a lot to take in. But I finally took it down out of the twist, I think last night. And I did like try out putting on makeup and changing up my brows, because my brows look crazy with this makeup. I mean, with this hair color. So I'm gonna have to work it out and figure something out. I am gonna do my makeup here with you guys so you can see what products I'm using. But first things first, we're about to get into some breakfast. It's already like after 10. Normally I try to wait until noon to eat breakfast or my first meal, to do like unintentional fasted cardio and all of that, but I haven't been to the gym at all this week. I've just been lazy, and I get like that sometimes. So I've been trying to limit how much I eat compared to when I go to the... What are we doing? What are we doing? Are we going crazy or what? You having fun? You playing? Don't mind me. I'm just on here trying to get footage, you know, trying to vlog. Okay, so like I was saying, normally when I don't go work out, I try to not eat as much as I would if I were working out. Y'all, this hair, it is bright. It's bright. And I feel like it's accentuating my acne marks and everything. Any dark spots on my face, I feel like the color is accentuating it. I'm about to make some breakfast, and that's going to be my protein pancakes. And put a little bit of maple syrup. Do you guys say syrup? Okay, let me get to the light. I'm gonna use a little bit of maple syrup with it. And I'm also gonna put some blueberries on top. This freezer has some of everything in here. It needs to be organized a lot better. I think I am going to, where are my patties? I normally pre-form patties, but right now I don't see, where the heck are they? I don't see any in here. No, those are not my Eggos. Those are hubby's Eggos. But I don't think I even have any more sausage patties in here either. That's normally what I would make, like 2 sausage patties or either 3 slices of bacon, but we don't have any. So I'm gonna have to just eat protein pancakes today, and I guess that's it. Making a mess. Oh, it's good with the blueberries and banana. This is my first time trying it with both. Okay, you guys, so I'm downstairs in my beauty space. I'm about to do my makeup real quick and walk you guys through what I'm going to be using. Hopefully the lighting is going to be okay down here.